Okay, here is the second super. Those are the bees doing their business there, right there. And we are going to check the first one to see where we're at. And that's more like it. Nope. Oof. Get smoked out here a little bit. Oops, watch out.
This one I think is pretty well.
Pretty full. I see honey on that one. Nice.
It's all capped honey.
Oh, beautiful. Look at
That's
that.
all capped honey.
Oh.
I don't have to go too much further in to see that this
Box
one's pretty much full.
looks great. See. All right. So I think we're going to switch them around.
Rotate.
All right. Let's report on East Hive. Take another look at these guys. It's amazing. They do live in tight quarters, don't they? Okay, I guess that's it for today, Sunday, July 30th. Not quite there yet, but we are very, very, very close. Whew. Things are looking good.